Student, today we'll study of class 4th subject moral science. Your book name is Friendship with Values. Now will we start chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 1 title is The Dreaming Priest. This chapter is a story. The Dreaming Priest, that means vision of a priest. About the chapter. In this chapter we shall learn that only dream does not give us success. We should have determination. Think and discuss. Hard work is key of success. Long time ago there lived a priest. He was very lazy and poor. He did not want to do any hard work but used to dream of being rich one day. He got his food by begging for alms. One morning he got a pot of milk as a part of the alms. He was extremely delighted and went home with the pot of milk. He boiled the milk, drank some of it, and put the remaining milk in a pot. He added a small amount of curd in the pot for converting the milk into curd. He then lay down to sleep. Soon he started imagining about the pot of curd while he lay asleep. He, he dreamed that if he could become rich somehow, all his desires would be gone. His thought turned to the pot of milk he had set to from curd. He dreamed on by morning the pot of milk would set. It would be converted into curd. I would churn the curd and make butter from it. I would heat the butter and make ghee out of it. I will then go to the market and sell that ghee and make some money. With that money, I will buy a hen. The, the hen will lay many eggs which will hatch and there will be many chickens. These chickens will in turn lay hundred of eggs, and I will soon have a poultry farm of my own. He kept in imagining I will sell all the hens of my property and buy some cows and open a milk dairy. All the town people will buy milk from me. I will be very rich and soon I shall buy jewels. The king will buy all the jewels from me. I will be so rich that I will be able to marry an exceptionally beautiful girl from a rich family. Soon I will have a handsome son. If he does any mischief, I will be very angry and to teach him a lesson. I will hit him with a big stick. During this dream, he involuntarily picked up the stick next to his bed and thinking that he was beating his son, raised the stick and hit the pot. The pot of milk broke and he awoke from his daydream. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 1. Moral of the story is there is no substitute for hard work. Dreams cannot be fulfilled without hard work. Now complete your lesson. Hard work is key of. Your homework is read lesson 1.